What if I told you that you could double your savings in just 6 months without taking any crazy risks? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a game plan to accelerate your wealth faster than 99% of people. And trust me, most financial gurus won't tell you this. They'd rather keep these secrets to themselves. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss life-changing financial strategies. Let's be honest, the financial system is not built in your favor. Inflation is skyrocketing, savings accounts barely pay any interest, and most people feel stuck in a cycle of working, spending, and never really getting ahead. But here's the thing. Wealthy people don't play by the same rules as the average person. They follow a completely different set of strategies that allow them to build wealth faster, without working harder. And today I'm pulling back the curtain on one of those secrets. This is exactly how Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and even Oprah Winfrey made their fortunes. They understood a system most people ignore. Imagine this. 2 people, Mike and James, both start with $10,000 in savings. Mike plays it safe. He puts his money in a bank account and earns a measly 0.5% interest per year. After 10 years, he's barely gained anything. James, on the other hand, understands the wealth loop, the strategy that the rich use to multiply their money effortlessly. Instead of letting his money sit, he strategically invests it into high-growth assets that generate passive income. Think about Jeff Bezos in the 1990s. He wasn't making billions selling books on Amazon. He reinvested everything into the company, knowing that compounded wealth over time would lead to massive success. 10 years later, James is financially free, while Mike is still struggling to get ahead. So, what exactly is the wealth loop? And more importantly, how can you use it? Step 1. Shift your money mindset. The first thing you need to understand is money is a tool, not a goal. The wealthy don't just save money, they put it to work. Every dollar in their bank account has a purpose: to make more money. Instead of thinking, how can I save more? Ask yourself, how can I make my money work for me? Think about Mark Cuban. He didn't hoard his early money. He invested it into businesses, stocks, and technology that gave him massive returns. This shift alone can be life-changing. Here's an exercise for you. Write down every dollar you make and where it goes. Is it sitting idle, or is it working for you? If your money isn't earning, it's losing value to inflation. Step 2. High return investments. Now, let's talk about where to actually put your money. Here are 3 of the highest ROI wealth-building vehicles in 2025. 1. Index funds and ETFs. These track the stock market and have historically returned 8 to 10% annually. They're one of the safest ways to grow wealth over time. Fun fact: Warren Buffett once bet $1 million that an S&P 500 index fund would outperform hedge funds. He won. 2. Cash flowing assets. Think rental properties, dividend stocks, or REITs, real estate investment trusts. These provide steady income, compounding your wealth faster. Just ask Grant Cardone. He built $1 billion real estate empire using this exact strategy. 3. Online businesses and side hustles. Whether it's e-commerce, digital products, or content creation, online businesses have unlimited income potential. The key is leveraging automation and scalability. Mr. Beast turned a YouTube channel into a multi-million-dollar business using this method. And before you think you need thousands of dollars to start investing, that's not true. Apps like M1 Finance, Vanguard, and Robinhood let you invest with as little as $10. Step 3. Leverage other people's money. Here's a secret. The rich don't use their own money to build wealth. They use other people's money, OPM. Think about real estate investors. They use bank loans, investors' funds, and even government incentives to acquire assets that grow in value while other people pay off their debt. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, always says, "The rich use debt to get richer. The poor and middle class use debt to get poorer." Here's how you can start leveraging OPM. Real estate financing. Buy a rental property using a small down payment, let tenants pay your mortgage, and watch your equity grow. Business loans and grants. Use funding to start an online business or expand an existing one. Credit card leverage. Some entrepreneurs fund startups using 0% APR credit cards strategically. But this requires discipline. Step 4. The compounding secret. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. If you're not using this, you're leaving millions on the table. Here's a mind-blowing fact. If you invest just $500 a month into an S&P 500 index fund, starting at age 25, by the time you're 50, you'd have over $1.1 million. Not from working more, not from winning the lottery, just from letting your money work for you. Step 5. Build multiple income streams. Think about Elon Musk. He didn't stop at PayPal. He built Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. Here's a simple formula. 1. Active income. Your 9-to-5 job, freelancing, or business. 2. Passive income. Dividends, rental income, or automated businesses. 3. Scalable income. Digital products, YouTube, courses, or investments. Each income stream is like adding another engine to your financial growth. The goal? Make money while you sleep. Final takeaways and call to action. So here's your action plan. 1. Stop saving money traditionally. Instead, put it to work in high-return investments. 2. Start leveraging compound interest now. 3. Build multiple income streams so you're not reliant on one source. 4. Use OPM to scale your wealth faster. If you apply these steps, your finances will transform faster than you ever thought possible. And if you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we drop powerful wealth-building content every week. Also, share this video with a friend who needs to hear this, because financial knowledge is the key to freedom. Until next time, stay wealthy.